Hey guys, Coach 𝐼𝐧𝐼𝐧𝐬𝐭 here. In today's video, I wanted to talk about how to avoid burnout in affiliate marketing. And I know all too well from trying to do too much too fast and not keeping your marketing simple. What I've learned over time is that in order to stay consistent, in order to not get burnt out in affiliate marketing, you must keep your marketing simple. I'm gonna go back to my time when I first started as an affiliate marketer and what my mentor taught me, and I want to share that with those of you who are looking to build a simple affiliate business that can stand the test of time, and that over time you can consistently earn income online and build leads and sales. What my mentor told me in my first 30 days, and it really helped explode my business. She told me to stay committed to 2 simple steps: make a daily YouTube video and email my list. She ain't tell me to do nothing else. Now later on I did start learning how to do Facebook marketing, and when I combined all 3 of those together, I found that was a trifecta. But the 2 things that got me going and that started me on my journey of getting visibility, leads, and sales was a daily YouTube video and a daily email to my list. Okay, those are 2 simple skill sets that you can learn, and then you could add on Facebook marketing, and then that's the trifecta. Okay, now that said, you do need to learn how to do YouTube marketing right and how to keep it simple. Your videos don't have to be long. They could be 7 to 12 minutes or less. The purpose of your YouTube videos is to help your audience understand the value of the product and the problem that it solves and how they can get it from you. That's it, right? That's all you need to be able to explain. In the Infinity Processing System, she goes over what is called a VIP formula that you can use in your YouTube marketing. You can use it in your Facebook marketing. The same formula you can use in your YouTube marketing, your Facebook marketing, and even your email marketing. Once you learn simple formulas, then everything is simple. I find that in the online space, I need to put some shoes on. I find that in the online space, there's a lot of people selling gimmicks. They're like, every 3 months, they're like, it's the new hottest thing. Okay, that's why I've always promoted member-to-member programs, digital products, and mostly training platforms, because yes, these training platforms will have the opportunity for you to earn as a reseller tied to those platforms, but what they're really giving you is the skill set, and the skill set is where the money is. Okay, so if you're ready to learn that, you want to learn be a better affiliate marketer, you want to learn how to put yourself in position to have some buildable skill sets that can help you earn income online from home, wherever, right? Go ahead and check out the video. Enter your best email so that we can get connected, so you can learn more about Infinity Processing System. Reach out if you have any questions. My contact information is below, and make sure you smash the subscribe button. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Do these things, my friend. Bye.